أنا خالد.
يا حبيبي شلونك؟
الحمد لله. إن شاء الله بالسلامة.
الله يسلمك يا رب.
إن شاء الله بالسلامة، إن شاء الله بشوفك منيح كتير. أنا ناوي بعد هالعملية أكون ابن أختك اللي بتحبيه أكتر شيء.
بحبك والله بحبك.
بس أكتر شيء.
إن شاء الله إن شاء الله بحبك أكثر وأكثر بحبك أكثر وأكثر.
From a young age, even before my mom was born, my aunt dedicated her life to taking care of others. You see, my aunt was adopted into my mom's family before my mom was born. And so she helped take care of my mom, her siblings, and all their children. I have such fond memories when I was a kid visiting Syria, visiting my relatives, and she would take care of me. She would feed me. She would dress me. She would do that for everybody. So for some, she was an older sister, a second mom, and for others, she was a second grandma. Even now, when she visits us, she takes care of my kids. She wants to feed them, brush their hair. She's always thinking about others. And so she was in town visiting from overseas. She's in California. And the day before her flight was to take her back home, she asked, "Can you check my eyes?" And so she came to my office. I took a look at her eyes, and her vision was really bad. She couldn't see far, she couldn't see near. And she has big cataracts, and I wish I could have been the one to help her with them, but she was leaving town the next day, so I couldn't. And she's almost 80, so I don't know if she's ever going to come back to the United States. So I told her, when you get back to your city in Turkey, where she's a refugee, perhaps the local eye doctor there can take care of your cataracts so you can see better. And so that was that. And later that night, I was talking to my dad on the phone, and he said, "Did you talk to your mom?" I said, "No, why? What's going on?" He said, "They're delaying your aunt's trip so you can fix her eyes." And so, of course, I was super excited at the opportunity. So join me today as I take care of my beautiful aunt.
أنا عمري ما كنت بغيب عيونك عايشة جوايا كفاية في الفراق تعذيب لقينا في بعضنا نهاية أنا عمري ما كنت بغيب عيونك عايشة جوايا كفاية في الفراق تعذيب لقينا في بعدنا نهاية يوم ورا يوم حبيبي أنا كنت بحلم بيك بعينيك ويا ما استنى قلبي يوم ورا يوم حبيبي أنا كنت بحلم بيك بعينيك ويا ما استنى قلبي يوم ورا يوم حبيبي ما جاني نوم حبيبي وديني جيت حبيبي وديني جيت يوم ورا يوم حبيبي ما جاني نوم حبيبي وديني جيت حبيبي وديني جيت يوم ورا يوم حبيبي ما جاني نوم حبيبي وديني جيت حبيبي وديني جيت يوم ورا يوم حبيبي ما جاني نوم حبيبي وديني جيت حبيبي وديني جيت.
There are so many lens implants available, and of course I want perfection for my aunt, but there's no lens that's good enough for her. So what lens implant do I give her? I can't use the light adjustable lens because she's only in town for like 10 more days. And for the light adjustable lens, you need to be in town for those adjustments that start about 3 weeks after surgery. I could give her a monofocal in which she would see very well far away, but she would need reading glasses for all near activity. Or the other option is a presbyopia correcting lens. And my aunt doesn't even read, but she does like using her phone. She watches videos, sends voice notes, and so forth. And she does want to be able to recognize faces from across the room, maybe be able to watch a show on TV. And so I talked to her about all her options. She doesn't drive, so dysphotopsias at night would unlikely be an issue. And so she loved overall the idea of being able to see far and near without glasses. And so for her, we decided we're going to give her a presbyopia correcting lens. I'll show you which lens that is shortly. الحمد لله على سلامتك. بوسك. اوكي. لا 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 نفسي ها.
الله يرضى عليك.
الحمد لله على السلامة. الحمد لله على سلامتك.
يا رب.
اها ممتاز. اها كويس. هلا شفتها. الحمد لله. خلاص الحمد لله على سلامتك. آمين آمين. الحمد لله على سلامتك. هلا في فرق.